Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tlatsi and if you are new here, please do click the subscribe button and become part of my family. And if you are returning, my day one, thank you so much for coming back to watch yet another video. I appreciate you so much. Guys, I'm home ne ke mama obani. Kiri 18th of January and I'm attending a birthday party. Yeah, my childhood friend. And yeah, I'm not sure if I'm taking you guys along with me or I'm going there alone. But yeah, I'm home. And honey, I did my hair. I look so pretty, guys. Oh, I will show you guys the hairpiece that I used. I think Kilondi London and the other one here the Kills. And I hope the Kellet they last there for long because people who have done this hairstyle before but complain. But yeah, and I'm wearing this. Okay, I will put a picture here if I don't get a chance to show you guys my full outfit. I'm wearing this, the two-piece that I unboxed with you guys. Yeah, right? The one that I bought from the KK store. Yeah, 150. And I want to show you guys the shoes that I want to wear. I'm not sure which shoes to go for. Let's decide on the shoes and Miguel, oh hoto Miguel, oh wasai, oh talatub. Guys, mara la ibona mara. La understand the area mañana. So yeah. So guys, here are the shoes. I wanna wear this pair. I feel like this one will go well with the outfit. And this ones I bought them from Mr. Price. I bought them a long time ago. Or I will wear this ones. I will wipe them. I haven't wiped them as yet. I will wear this ones, and this ones are from Fushimi. No, but I feel like the gold will go well. Hey, I feel like this first ones will go well. Yeah, let's rather go with the gold and take nice pictures before we leave. Oh, I want to show you guys her gift, but let me rather not show you the gift, right? But I bought her a gift, and yeah. Hi guys, welcome to day 2 of this vlog. Guys, yesterday I couldn't vlog but I had so much fun, and yeah, I was catching up with my sisters, and yeah, my sisters back high, like the ones that I grew up with. I'm the youngest out of all the people that I grew up with. I'm the youngest, so yeah, I call them my sisters. And I want to show you guys what I have here, what I bought. I want us to unbox this. It's a 2-in-1 lamp, LED and UV lamp. So they explained to me what LED and UV, it's actually the kind of gelish I'm gonna buy. So it's either I'm gonna buy the one LED or UV. So yeah, if I have any of those, I can use this light for any of those. But some of the gelish already didn't include both of them. So yeah, I bought this light. Let's unbox it together, guys. I bought it from Maravastata. You saw when I went to Maravastata to buy this light, and they were 100 rand. And guys, today is a Sunday, sorry I forgot to mention that, and we didn't go to church. I'm tired, like I got home very late yesterday, and yeah. So did I ask for pink or white? But the box even, so this is pink. But I guess pink it's nice, it won't get dirty. Oh yeah, I didn't even check Korea America or what. I thought you just press, but innerly a light. Bless you, Amo.
Thank you.
Innerly a cable. So this is the cable, and this is how the light looks from the outside. Let me put this down. From the outside, this is how it looks, and this is in the inside part of it. So I guess more it will be when the way tumor, and then it dry up the gelish. And oh, okay, so more, oh, so meaning what I can press more 99 seconds, 80 seconds, and 60 seconds. So yeah, this is how it looks, guys. And then more it will display all the seconds it's when yeah. And guys, this is the manual. It's a book manual. It's a mini book manual that I'm gonna use. But do I really have to go through this? Guys, I want to start doing my own nails, especially my toes and sometimes my hands, because I also want to grow my nails and see if my nails are strong or what. If my nails are not strong, then I won't grow them anymore. But now I'm trying to grow them, and I did a gelish on my own nails, and I love this color, guys. See what this color it's giving. I must actually go buy colors, not even new colors, because I don't have any colors. I must actually go buy colors, and yeah, I'm just gonna buy like simple colors and not busy, and yeah. So this is what we have, and I want to also show you guys what I got from Mr. Price, or what Harry bought for me. For Mr. Price. So guys, I went to the mall the other day. I think it was Thursday after work. Yeah, Thursday. No. I went to the mall Friday after work, right? And I waited for hubby at the mall, for him to come fetch me at the mall. And he took so long to come fetch me. And I went to Mr. Price. And I fitted the shoes, like, guys, yo, the Antoinella. And I was like, I want the shoes. But let me leave the shoes, because I didn't have money. And I was like, no, I will come buy the shoes when I get paid. And Harry, so I'm phoning. Okay, phone it. I go guy, Mr. Price. I don't care, go let Mr. Price. I feel like so when yo, guys, Gamelta. Oh my god. My man. Gotta give me these shoes, baby. Please buy them for me. Did I even ask him to buy them for me? Because I just said, give me chocolates, and if you want them, you can take them. And I was like, thank you, baby. And yeah, if you want your man to buy you things, go to the mall, honey, and ask him to come fetch you at the mall. And yeah. Oh, guys, DP, like, yo, these wedges are so nice, and they were 250 rand, and yeah, I can't wait to rock them and give them a girl more hot. Guys, I'm loving this hair. I'm loving this new hairstyle. I'm loving it so much. And guys, because it's a Sunday, I'm gonna cook for my man, and I'm gonna cook lamb shank. He specifically asked for me to cook lamb shank today, and I'm gonna cook that. Guys, get this dress that I bought from Marabastad. That I bought from Marabastad. I will put a picture here. I bought them when I was attending a Lobola celebration in December that I didn't even vlog. I will put a picture here of what I was wearing there. Yeah, it was actually this dress, and I look so pretty. So I'm loving these dresses. I think I'm gonna buy more of them. Hey, I'm gonna buy a different one so that I can change. Give him a sari. One tat. Hey, cap elant at a capar so. Ntatia when I'm sari kam kibing. Give him a sari one tat to a tlompe healing. Musadi wa mukoni. Guys, let's cook. Guys, like I said, I'm cooking lamb chops today, and here are my carrots, my spices, even though that beef stock like a and then I'm gonna be using this wine, and that's my vista sauce and tomato paste. my onions, and yeah, and I'm gonna be using this salt and black pepper just to spice this before cooking it. I wanna brown it, so yeah, I'm just gonna fry it a bit in a pot. And yeah, let's start, guys.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me